bro. Don't worry about
it. Hey, as soon as I sell the Beamer, the first time we get is bike.
Which way are we going?
Left over here.
Oh.
I'm gonna sell that Beamer and give me a $1,500 bike.
Come on, Timbo, we got you.
All carbon fiber.
Good work, baby.
What? Timbo, you swear?
God, what the hell?
Oh, wait, get on the floor, baby. Get on the floor. Let me take a picture.
Yeah, did you record that shit?
John.
I think I did.
John,
I got on the GoPro, Ellie.
Was it the clips? Yeah.
It is 5:04 a.m. Sunday morning. Today's actually my anniversary. Wifey, love you. Happy anniversary. I think it's 6 or 7 years, one of those two. So, happy anniversary, baby. I'm actually on the way to go pick up my buddy. Well, I'm gonna drive up to his house. Then we're gonna take his Jeep, put both our bikes in there. But the bike rack that I have for my car is just it's on its last leg. So, I've never done like one of these actual vlog styles for you guys. Something a little bit different too. It's not really car content. It's gonna be more of like something that I do, not a daily thing, but it's becoming a daily Sunday routine for me and the fellas, man. So I want to kind of document it today. We went yesterday with the bikes out with my wife, TORAJ, and TIMBO. So today we're actually gonna do me, TORAJ, Tim, and then I think Jimmy's coming along. So one of our other buddies. So I want to document it. This is gonna show you guys what is becoming a typical Sunday now in my life and a lot of the lives of my buddies, man. So, and maybe my wife. So depending if she wants to keep going with us. So today we're actually doing 26 miles. We did 20 yesterday, 19.9, but it's basically 20 miles. And today we're gonna shoot for 26-mile ride in a route that my buddy planned out. So we actually have an event that me and my buddy Tim are gonna try to do next month. It's a 26-mile ride in Arkansas, so in Little Rock, Arkansas. So it shouldn't be, if we can do today, I know that we can do next month. So let's see how it goes. Once I get to my buddy's house, I'll pick you guys back up. Alright, so if you can currently hear me, we're on the way to do this Tour de France on the Peloton. To the Peloton. So we'll go ahead. I'm gonna drop off my boy's house. We got both the bikes in the back of the Jeep. Just makes it easier, man. And we're about 25 minutes out to where we're going. There's a dude next to us in a truck. So once we get closer, our boy's doing the time lapse. I'll show the time lapse and catch up then. Soy yo! I'll do this, put on my clipless. In fact, let me double check, but I think I'm good because I checked it just a couple days back. Look at that, man, so clean. Look at that, man, so clean. Look at that, man, so clean. Look at that, man, so cool.
Matching socks, look at it with a jacket.
Oh shit, I didn't realize.
Damn!
This one got the matching sockos. What?
That's the spoon right here.
Alright.
Alright, bro, we'll see you in a little bit.
Yeah, I'm over here. I'm getting up. I'm getting up right now.
I'm over here, I'm getting up. They said I'm over here, I'm getting up.
Alright, there we go.
It's a little screen you press.
Screen. Boy, you don't get your screen.
I'm over here trying to feel a little nipple.
Well, that's the problem. You're looking for the wrong thing. You can't look for the nipple.
You gotta look for the areola.
Yeah, they're exactly.
Let's get this 15.5 miles. Oh damn, I forgot I'm recording. They can record my voice. Good morning, everybody. Check your left, check your right. There's a deer on my right. Look at that deer, John.
That mug is right there.
I swear. I had fun behind Jimmy. I had to pedal for shit. It ain't a giant and it ain't a trek. Don't drop the bike, John. Do I need to get out the picture? What about my bike? You can Photoshop my bike. I'm gonna go test drive John's bike. Let me clip my shoes in first. Let me clip my shoes in. These light ass bikes, dude. No wonder I be behind from y'all. Dang, John. Oh, I swear to God. Damn, no wonder y'all be beating me, dude.
So we're coming up. I can't show you my brother, but he's somewhere over there. We're about 13 miles in. We've had 2 stops already. One at Bolton, one at the gas station right across from Bolton. We're at about a 13-mile-per-hour pace right now, just cruising. We've done 13 miles, we got 11 more to go. So once we get to around 5 miles left, push it hard, baby. Push it hard. Alright. It's another route. We got what, like 4 miles left? 4 or 5 miles left? We get here, there's bullet casings everywhere. Look at this. You need a picture? Dude, there's steam coming off you. See that shit? Hold on. Let me see. There's steam coming off of you. You see that shit?
Yeah, look.
There's steam coming up with this man right here. Alright, 6 more miles left. Let's go. Okay.
You like Healy, right?
Healy, yeah.
Listen to his new song, Second Wind.
What is it called?
Second Wind.
Second Wind? Alright, I'm gonna look it up on, is it on Apple? Apple Music? I got you. Young Healy, Second Wind. Alright, how's that ride, man? 24.4 miles today. So we did an extra 4.4 miles, 4.5 miles. Next week we're gonna do 30, shoot for 30. Because we got that event. I'll go right. So I said, man, we take all these roads back in Arlington. Oh, of course my bike don't want to see. Go ahead, man. Go get that trip. Huh? Go finance that trip. Boy. All it takes is one time of riding it, man. That's it, you're hooked.
Seriously, I really like it.
That's what happened to me, man. I was hooked, man. That's why I bought my first trek, and I got this one now. Time to upgrade. All right, it is my anniversary day today, so call it a day. We're about to go eat, but I can't today. My bad, though. That's it, guys. Deuces.